Hi everybody, today we're going to be testing out our collection of smoke detectors, starting with a Kitty Nighthawk model 0916. Sounds good. Second one we're going to do is the Universal model SS770. I don't know where we got this at, but it's a nice little detector. Good. Third one we're going to try is the Family Guard model FG200. I know I picked this up over at the Big Blue store. All pretty much the same. Fourth one we're going to do is an older Family Guard model FG888D. Faster beep there. And the fifth one we're going to do is my favorite, the Kitty Nighthawk Combo KNCOSMB. It's a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm.
Fire! Fire! Warning, carbon monoxide.
So there's my collection. All 5 of them. Got another one, but it's the same as the kitty on the end. So thanks for watching.